How does one get rich? You see, a lot of people think it's about money IQ. Money IQ is somewhat important, but really I think the answer is money EQ. You see, money IQ is about knowing how to invest, how to multiply money, how to fund a business, what type of properties to buy. It's all the left-brained aspects of money. Money IQ you can learn in one day. Money EQ can take a lifetime. And money EQ is about your belief structures, your emotional attachments, your understanding of the energy of money. This is why I'm so excited about one of our newest authors on Mindvalley, Ken Honda, who is the most prominent personal growth teacher in Japan. And I want to share with you a really interesting insight I learned from Ken. See, Ken launched an initiative where he interviewed close to 10,000 Japanese millionaires, and he found something really interesting about their money EQ. Firstly, no matter how rich people got, they always wanted more. Ken asked a guy who was making around 100 grand a year, when will you be rich? And he said, I'll be rich when I have $1 million in the bank. And Ken asked a guy who had $1 million in the bank, when will you be rich? He said, I'll be rich when I have $10 million in the bank. So Ken asked a guy who had $10 million in the bank, when would you consider yourself rich? And he said, I'll be rich when I have my own jet. Ken then interviewed a guy who actually had a jet and asked him, when would you consider yourself rich? He said, well, you know, my jet only seats 6 people. I'll be rich when my jet can seat 12 people. And finally, Ken found that there was a certain type of millionaire that truly felt rich. And this feeling of being rich filled them with joy, with bliss. They had a different understanding of money. It wasn't about the measure of money. It was about their emotional and spiritual connection to money. Their response, said Ken, was something more akin to money as air. They had the belief that no matter what their intentions or dreams or vision of the world, the right amount of money would flow to them to allow their dreams, their intentions, their visions to become real. And they lived beautiful lives, never worrying about money. Money to them was like air. We don't worry about running out of air. Air, we just breathe it in. What if money was something that we could learn to develop an association with, where it flows to us no matter how much we need? This is what you're going to learn in our upcoming masterclass with the Japanese legend Ken Honda. The link is in this bio.